Self-tape casting the best way. Now, you really don't want to go to the trouble of recording your work and sending it up to the casting director or film company for it never to safely arrive and to be lost. So, who you are is most important that they know. So the best way, you go to YouTube, you upload your file, and here, once you're in YouTube, the most important part is here in the title. You are going to make sure they do know who you are, because you are going to write your name, the role that you are up for, that you're auditioning and you've sent your self-tape to them for. In this case, it's detective. I've written my name, the role I'm playing as detective, and then the agent. And if you haven't got an agent, you write self-represented. Now, in brackets here, I'm writing M. That stands for mobile, and this is my contact number. If you don't have an agent, you must give them your telephone number. Otherwise, they will not know how to contact you. Now, this is not made for kids, so we go to next. And it's not a copyright issue. And we go to next. And next here. And here is the most important. You don't want the world to see your work before it's completely perfected. So you write unlisted and you click unlisted and then you save that. Now this uploads very quickly because it was only a short bit of film. So I close that down and you see my name, role and telephone number are all there for them to contact me with. Now copy the URL. And into a Word document, I'm writing all of the information that I wrote in the title on YouTube. And you're going to do this several times in several different places. So here, my name, the role, which is detective, agent, and self-represented. And again, in brackets, I'm going to put an M for mobile and my contact telephone number. Now, with all of that information there, I'm going to highlight it. And with it highlighted, I go to Insert and Link. And there I'm going to paste the URL that I copied from YouTube, and it's underlined it so you can see that that is a link, a hyperlink. Anybody clicks on that, it'll go to the work on YouTube. But before we do that, I also want to show you the free copy equivalent to Word, which is in Google Docs. So in Google Docs, I've written everything, so the same as I had in Word, and I'm going down to Insert and finding the link, and I'm pasting the URL from YouTube into that. I'm going to apply it. And now I'm going to copy this as I would in Word, and I'm going to put it into an email to the casting director or the film company. So in this case, I'm going to send it to myself. And important here is to, in the subject matter, put all of the information that you put in the title on YouTube. So once again, my name is going in there, the role that I'm playing, and my agent, in this case self-represented, and my telephone number. Now this is in the subject of the email, so please make sure that you do that. Then they know who's sending them the email. And above all, do not forget in the body of the email to put the hyperlink that you copied. So here you see, in goes the hyperlink. So all they've got to do is to click on that. Once they receive it, there it is. If I click on it in my other email, it's just arrived. Immediately I can go to YouTube and see the self-tape that has been sent to me. So now if I want to copy it down into a folder, then I can do. And in this case, I'm doing that to Wondershare Uniconverter that I use. I've got to tell you, it's a brilliant downloader for anything off YouTube, but you do have to pay an annual subscription. So if the casting director or film company want to download the work, they can. So here I'm downloading it, showing how easy it is to download. But to be honest, I don't know why they would need to do that, because all they need to do is to click on the link that you give them if they put it into a folder, and all the time it will go straight to YouTube and they can watch all of the self-tapes that get sent to them. So anyway, I'm going to the folder that I've downloaded that to, and if they've downloaded it, they'll be able to find who had sent it, the role that they're up for, and their representation. And above all, know who you are.